In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a bill invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a supplier bill so it shows up in accounts payable and your reports are accurate. Make sure you're logged into your Xero organization and have the supplier's bill handy so the details match. Start on your Xero dashboard and look for the plus icon at the top of the screen. This is your quick add menu. Click it to open the options for creating new transactions. Using this menu keeps the process fast and ensures you land on the correct form. From the menu, choose Bill. This opens a new bill entry screen. In Xero, a bill represents money you owe to a supplier, so selecting Bill tells Xero to treat this as a payable rather than sales income. Next, go to the From field and select the supplier you received the bill from. Pick the correct contact so the bill is linked to that supplier's history, terms, and default settings. Double check that you've selected the right supplier, especially if you have similar names in your list. Enter the date shown on the supplier's bill. This is typically the invoice date from your supplier, and it drives the posting period and aging. Getting the date right helps your reports reflect the expense in the correct month. Now set the due date. This is when payment is scheduled or required. Xero may autofill this based on supplier terms, but update it to match the bill if needed. Accurate due dates help with cash flow planning and payment runs. Add a reference. Use the supplier's invoice number or unique identifier from their document. This makes reconciliation easier, prevents duplicates, and helps anyone reviewing the bill later find the original paperwork quickly. In the item section, select the item that best matches what you were billed for. When you choose an item, Xero can autofill the description, unit price, account code, and tax rate. Adjust the quantity, unit price, or description so they match the supplier's bill exactly. Take a moment to confirm the correct expense account and tax treatment are applied and that your line total matches the document subtotal. Before finalizing, glance at the subtotal, tax, and total amounts at the bottom. They should mirror the supplier bill precisely. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Approving posts the bill to accounts. Payable updates your ledgers and makes it ready for payment. That's it. Your bill is now recorded in Xero and will appear in your payables and reports.